Alright, so we're here with the winning coach today. Kingston College 4, St. George's College 1. Coach, talk me through the game. What were you trying to do today?
Definitely win the game first and foremost. And as usual, we are always confident. Whenever it doesn't matter who we play, but we always have a positive mindset. And what I did, and thanks to you guys, what St. George's Flames when they played Jonathan Grant went back to when they played us, went back to when we played them. Because one instance I thought they played us and then the other I thought we played them. Watched back all those clips and then I said, okay, this is the best way to do.
Alright, coach. This is the third time you're playing St. George's College for the season. Fourth time if we're going to count pre-season. And do you think you have St. George's College number if you guys were supposed to meet in the finals? You'd be confident about that?
The thing is, maybe St. George's will be in the final. As far as I'm concerned, we are our first game into this round in the quarterfinal rounds. I don't even perceive looking at the final yet. There's another game coming up against Charlie Smith, and that's what is in front of us, and that's what we'll deal with.
Alright, you spoke about Charlie Smith. Talk to me about the group. This is the first time we're talking to you after the group's dropped. How do you feel about Kingston College's Group A?
Most definitely, as I said before, any team that comes here, comes in this round of the Manning Cup, is not an easy team. So if it was other teams, other schools in it, we just have to deal with it whosoever, because you know, playing 10 games, then you come back into another game in the round of 16, making it through, it simply says that your team has some quality.
Coach, do you think we're seeing the best of Kingston College right now, or there is more to go?
A good question. I'll ask my players when I meet with them.
Alright, talk to me about, we think that Shakes, the number 18 in the middle of the pitch, had an outstanding game. And we like to ask you about, who we think are the outstanding players. Talk to me about your midfielder. How important is Shakes to your team?
He's as important as the number 10.
And as important as the number 10, coach?
Very much important.
And why do you say that? Talk to me through the tactical part of this game.
The number 10 has to receive the ball.
And he's responsible for giving it to him?
Most definitely.
Alright, coach. Finally, how do you feel about progressing to the next round?
Very good to get the first game out of the way. Very good to get some goals. And I must say kudos and thanks to my players, thanks to my coaching staff, and all the fans on this and that TV who support Kingston College. And even those who don't support Kingston College, I want to say thank you very much, because in everything we have people who motivate us to do better. So thanks very much, and this and that, big up on yourself. Don't rush that.
Yeah.